What's up, everybody? This is Carl from Techful Goodies, and today we're taking a look at all-in-one video conference camera from Nuroum. Now, if you've seen one of my previous videos, you will have known that I absolutely love the Nuroum speakerphone that I use every day. This is a speakerphone that I use constantly on my work calls, on my Zoom calls, and it just makes my life so much easier. So when they said, hey, can we send you over our all-in-one option for me to sort of share with you all, I said, absolutely, send it on over and we'll take a look at it. So this is it right here. Yes, this is it. Now, this isn't your everyday webcam. This is your all-in-one video conference room solution. It's their Nuroum C46, and it's designed to be in more of a conference room situation. I can obviously use it here on my desk if I want to have great video and great audio. This is sort of designed for those situations where you have a large room. You may want to catch more than one person on the camera at a time, or zoom in specifically to the presenter you can. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. There it is. There it is. Exterminate. This is, like I said, their C46 all-in-one camera. Box is a little bit bigger than it actually was, but this is it right here. So it's basically designed to sit on your desk or in the middle of a conference room, and comes with a remote and all the connection cables. Let's check those out too. So we've got a USB-C cable that it comes with. Comes with a remote that allows you to basically control it if it is sitting in the middle of the table. You want to be able to control it from wherever you're sitting. It also comes with a DC jack if you want to have it continually powered. So basically, if you want to have it plugged in all the time, you can, or you can plug it right into your computer. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use it directly on my computer. Now, my hope is that we can hook this up to the computer, give it a try a couple of different modes, see how it works, give it a sound test too to make sure that everything we're hearing we're happy with. So basically, vivid, high quality video, plug and play, wide angle lens. So it does have a lens that goes from sort of a non-wide angle, so you can have one person in, to having a 120-degree field of view to show a couple people on the screen. It has the same AI noise-driven suppression that their speakerphone has that I use every day. Optimized voice pickup and broad compatibility. So I think the easiest way to try this out is just to plug it in and give it a try. So, one thing to note is it does have a tripod, a standard tripod connector. The screw that goes on the bottom of a tripod. So if you did want to use it in the middle of a room on a tripod, or if you want to set it on the desk, you can. So that's nice to see. And I'm assuming once we switch over to the camera that it will be either extremely zoomed in, or it will be close up on my face. But let's go ahead and set something up here to be able to record this. All right, so now you're looking at the video from the Nuroum device. This is a standard sort of wide view angle. So if you have people in the room with you, let's say you have people sitting to the right or left of you, and this is on your table in the middle, you'll be able to show more people more of the room. And this is kind of with their auto framing off, right? So if I want to go ahead and turn on the auto framing, with the auto framing on, it'll basically kind of zoom in and auto frame on one presenter. And that way you won't be showing as much of the room. It'll specifically focus on you. Now they also have on the remote here, they have a zoom in and out. So if I want to turn auto framing off, right, I'm still able to zoom in, right? And then I have control specifically over the angle of the camera. And again, this is the full device here. This is the speaker. You're hearing directly from the speaker that's coming through the computer, not through my microphone anymore. So all in all, if you look at the quality of the video and the quality of the sound in one device, I think it's looking pretty great. Again, you have the sort of wide frame. You have auto framing on, which should zoom in on me. Put it back out to auto frame. I have the ability to zoom in. I can change where specifically it's looking from left to right. And reset it. I can also come back in, zoom right in on me. Since I'm a little taller, I can bring it up. And that way I have complete control over the camera. But yeah, so far pretty impressive. And like I've always said, I love the speakerphone on this. And now with the camera, this might just switch over to my new daily driver. So yeah, I mean, it depends on what your application is. Like I said, if you have organization or business that's looking for a really good sort of all-in-one video conferencing situation, something that doesn't require speakers or microphones all over the place, something that you can use to sort of focus on yourself or have more of a wider range, I actually think the C46 is a great option. Like I said, Nuroum sent this over for me to try out. Always going to want to share them with you all. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments down below. I think we've got a really nice option here for something that could work well in a conference room situation. Take it home with you for the day. Use it at home so you have a consistent video experience all throughout the day, depending on what you're doing and who you're working with. So other than that, this is Carl from Techful Goodies, and I'm out.